What's up everyone? So today we've been given some of the Tilerite flat discs to try out. Now we're not going to actually be using it on porcelain, we're going to be using it on natural stone. Now I'll just show you what I'm doing. So I've got a slab to lay here, which isn't a full slab. I don't know if you can see because of the shadow on that wall there, but it needs to be 450 so I can leave a gap against that wall for gravel. Now I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to try and refettle the edge with the flat disc. Now I'm going to go for the coarse grit on this one, although they do three others, because I want it to look more rumbled like the normal edge would be. I don't think the finer one would look as good. So I'm going to try that out now and see what that looks like.
Mislaid. Marked it out, then I eyeball square. Laser level, nah, I just don't care. Customer says the wall's not quite right. Cool, enjoy your wonky bricks at night. Cement in my hair, turf on my boots. Drop the fence, pedal blamed it on Luke. She wanted curves, I gave her a ramp. This ain't a garden, it's a demolition camp. We dig, we grout, we cut.
Alright, so as you can see now, obviously it's just a straight line, isn't it, compared to the fettled edge of the natural stone. So I'll try that flappy disc and see if it cuts some form of natural edge to it. Worked beautifully. So you can just probably see there I've curved the corner and I just wiggled my way along it really, just to create a natural finish. So it looks a bit more natural now. And there you have it, a natural edge back on those sandstone pavers. It was quite easy to go through it as well, just to work my way along it. Bit of a wiggle to create a natural effect, and it looks like it's made that way. Perfect. Excellent job. Great product that. So they do the 4 different grits. I use the very coarse one on the natural stone, but obviously if I wanted to polish up, they do the polishing flappy grit as well. But that worked actually brilliantly to put another natural look in that edge. That's Tilerite's product, that is. Go check them out.